In my calendar, every single morning, there's a thing that shows up on repeat every single day, and it says, "My goal is to help people own their dream home and be financially free to live their dream life." To help people take control of their finances and hopefully show them that the power of money isn't in the things you can buy, it's in the options and freedoms that it gives you. And to be honest, battling with this cancer inside of me has opened up so many new thoughts and so many new perspectives. And I realized something pretty crazy today. I realized that I've had this statement in my calendar on repeat every single day about helping other people build their dream life, but I never really sat down and defined what my dream life actually looks like. I mean, yes, I've had goals, things I've wanted, accomplishments I've chased, but I've never intentionally sat down and designed my dream life. And it's crazy because now that I can see and visualize what my dream life would be like, it actually fulfills that daily mantra I've had on repeat in my schedule every single day. Since my diagnosis earlier this year, I've lost a kidney, a tooth. I'm not even kidding. Like, I lost a tooth. It's pretty crazy. And this Friday, I'll be going into surgery, and they're gonna take parts of my hip and pelvis. And and as scary as it sounds, this is the most energy I've ever had because I can actually see parts of my dream life now. It's almost like I was asleep and now I'm awake. So what does my dream life look like? Well, as far as starting with work, today my job is centered around production, right? How many clients, how many realtors, how many deals you can close. And that's typically what defines success in this industry. But that doesn't match my dream life. In my dream life, and again, this is going to sound crazy, but it's my dream life that I'm building. I only want to work with the realtors I enjoy working with, the ones that have the same or similar vision as me about truly helping people, changing lives, creating financial freedom, and building real wealth. Not just saying it, but the actions of actually helping people. My dream life is about impactful production, not just maximum production. And if you just want a loan, right? Say you just want a loan, that's fine. Nothing's wrong with that. There's plenty of banks that can help you. But if you want a guide, someone who listens, who strategizes, who teaches you what to look for and how to use your money to best serve your life, I'm that guy. And that's why I'm also trying to build an online seminar. I'm 90% done, and my hope is to teach people the things we've never been taught growing up. This isn't just for adults looking to buy a home, but it's also for students looking to learn about credit and financials and about loans and credit cards. Again, the things we never got taught growing up. And from these families and these students that come to learn, I can connect them with the realtors that share the same heart as me. And this is how my business will align perfectly with my dream because it's now about legacy, not just revenue. Okay, so what about outside of work? My dream life includes creating businesses I love. Maybe a goofy YouTube channel with my sister, and people that know her and know me know that we're both pretty silly. But it also includes probably the most important things like taking my wife around the world, building a family with my wife, retiring my parents so we can make more memories together. Silly things that might not seem important, but I love, like collecting cars. I don't have a collection of cars, but in my dream life, I can see that. Sharing unforgettable moments with friends and family, whether it's courtside at an NBA game or at a Coldplay concert with my wife. Taking care of Sia, our dog, Michi Peachy, which is the two stray cats that just came into our yard, and Kichi, which is just a hen that wandered into our yard, and whatever other little fur balls that show up. I'd love to take care of those guys and just make memories with those guys. Owning multiple homes, not for status, but so we can beat traffic. We don't have to be back on the west side if we don't need to be and have to fight traffic. We can actually stay in our home in town. And also, I'd love homes around the world so that me and my wife can go to the places we enjoy and still call it home. Living in the moment, so present that distractions fade away. So intentional that even the little things that could distract me just doesn't even matter anymore. This is the foundation of what my dream life looks like. And so how do I get there? The craziest thing happened today. I realized that this is the beginning of me living my dream life. And it's so crazy because there's no way I would have had this clarity and this vision, this sense of direction if it wasn't for the cancer. And it's wild to say this, but I'm not battling cancer. It's like I'm in a battle with cancer. And yes, I want it out of my body. But it's amazing how it's helped me to wake up. I'm so grateful that it's helped me to finally wake up. And I'd rather be here, fully alive, awake now, even fighting and battling with this cancer, than be sleepwalking through a life I've never designed. And I guess I just wanted to get this out because it was just it's alive in me right now. Like these thoughts and this perspective and this mindset is just overflowing out of me, and I just wanted to get it out, whether it's on paper or on voice recording.